In this video, we will demonstrate using the example CTM_agent cookbook to provision a control agent with Chef and register it with a control environment using Control Automation API. This example requires Chef Infra Server and Workstation, Control Enterprise Manager 9.0.19.100 or higher, Control Automation API 9.0.19.100 or higher. Also, you'll need a control user with appropriate authorization. To use this project, copy or git clone all the files from the cookbooks directory to the local cookbooks directory on your Chef workstation. You can also save the CTM_agent.zip to the workstation's cookbook directory and extract it there. In this case, I have extracted it to my Windows chef-repo/cookbooks directory. Before we can test with Chef Kitchen, we'll make changes to the default.rb attributes file and kitchen.yaml. Modify the default.rb file in the attributes folder. These settings should be appropriate to your control environment. Once done, go ahead and save the file. Next, update the kitchen.yaml file in the cookbook's root directory. My Chef Kitchen is set up to use Vagrant and VirtualBox, so I need to set up port forwarding to allow Control Server to connect to the control agent. Make the port changes to the line highlighted in blue or comment it out if not needed. Save and close the file. This is my control environment. We will be provisioning the control agent to the EM server host name WLA919. The control data center happens to be named WLA919 also, but that is not common. This is a test environment installed using the Control 1 install, so everything has defaulted to the host name. But your environment may be much different. Now we're ready to test a recipe using Chef Workstation. To test, run kitchen test in the cookbook directory. This will take some time, so I will fast forward. We see that our test provision completed successfully. The project didn't have any test functions, but you can create ones as needed to do basic testing of Control Agent and Control Automation API. We see that the agent was registered but is now unavailable. This is because the kitchen test provisioned the Control Agent machine and destroyed the virtual machine. We'll delete it since it's no longer valid. As a customization, you can add a step in the kitchen test to unregister the agent. Our kitchen test was successful. Now we can upload the recipe. The recipe and CTM_agent cookbook was uploaded successfully. Now we can download the cookbook from another Chef workstation. This one is running on CentOS 7. I have one demo cookbook already downloaded to my cookbooks directory. Using Knife, we can display the list of cookbooks. Here we see CTM_agent and the other cookbook I have already downloaded. Let's download the CTM_agent cookbook. The cookbook is ready for my test environment. To use it, you may need to make changes to the attributes or other network settings, such as the host name. I will bootstrap a Chef node with root since the SSH has already been set up for root. This takes about a minute, and I have fast forwarded. Let's check if the new node is registered. We see the Chef node listed here. Once the node is available, we can apply the cookbook to it. This is done with the chef run command. This takes several minutes to run, and I have skipped ahead. We see here that the cookbook CTM_agent has been applied successfully. We see in the Control M Configuration Manager that the Control M agent has been registered and is available. It is now ready for use. Thank you for watching. Please see our knowledge base and YouTube channel for more videos like this.